I am Amanda. I work as a group fitness and aquatics coordinator at a facility here in Tennessee. I also help do trainings with AAAI for various certifications. I have been in the group fitness industry for 15 plus years. So when I first started teaching group fitness, I came from it as a participant first, just loved taking the classes, and the coordinator at the time kind of walked me through becoming an instructor myself. So my original plan was going to be to kind of baby step my way into taking that full class before I taught it myself. So my original plan was going to be, I was going to lead the warm-up for the class while the other instructor was in there, and then she could kind of give me tips on things to do differently or ways to improve. The next week, I was going to teach maybe one 10, 15-minute block of the class. Step aerobics was the first class that I taught for this. And that kind of worked until I just got thrown into it, because it happens, as group fitness always does, where it's one of those things where the instructor can't be there, nobody else can fill in, so they asked me to do it. It was a short notice, and so what thought was going to be baby stepping my way into teaching for the first class just got thrown directly into it. So I cannot say 15 years ago exactly what I remember the class was. I can say I was feeling a little nervous about it. I probably told the class at the time I was feeling a little bit nervous. But generally, the group fitness community is so encouraging and supportive of each other that they all just went with it. My suggestions to anyone who is starting in the group fitness world with teaching classes is that you can do one of the two, either one. If you have a mentor that you work with at a facility, I think it is a great way. I have done that over the years with many people that we've worked together to kind of team teach until they feel comfortable taking over that entire class. Totally fine. I never call it stealing someone else's class plan or their words that come out of their mouth, their encouragement, or verbal cueing. I always tell people it's more, you kind of mimic those instructors that you've had as your best instructors. You're almost mimicking them until you come up with your own terminology or the best way that works for you in cueing verbally and cueing, physically as well. If that doesn't work for you, or you want to just jump right in with both feet, I think that plan works great too. My suggestions, as an instructor, if you were jumping right in to teach that class for the first time, is mainly just to go into it with an open mind. Go into it with just the encouragement. I usually always tell new instructors, have a plan A, plan B, plan C in your backside of your mind and kind of read the room. If your plan A that you have, you can read the room that it's not really going the way that you think that it is, that you wanted it to go, then readjust, go to your plan B, go to your plan C. But as long as you go into it with that encouragement and that positivity, your participants are going to love that and they're going to come back.